The condition.
Yes, I know the condition. So, we have studied about systems last class. Today, we are starting with homeostasis. What is the word homeostasis? The new vocabulary term. That means it helps you to maintain or balance your internal body temperature. Is it only temperature, girls?
No.
No, it
No.
balances many things. Okay, Malak, do you know when you go to a doctor, how much nowadays during these viruses, especially virus, everyone knows the correct temperature of the body. What is the correct temperature of the body?
30, 36 maybe.
36. Okay, 36. That means if I am 30, if I'm going to a doctor when I have fever, okay, 36 degrees Celsius is a normal temperature. 36.5 or 36.
Oh, really, miss? Mine is 37.
Yours is right now?
Yeah, till now.
That
It's
doesn't
like
mean that you have
37.
fever. See, that's what I'm saying. I'm coming to that point. 36.5, 36 point. Yes, even if it starts from 37.4, they say that you are suffering from fever. And sometimes it's not like the doctor tells you to sit down and they check again. If it's 37.4, that doesn't have fever. They wait. They wait. Why? They wait for this word. Because sometimes maybe you're sitting in a hot room and you get your so the body has to balance or maintain. This is homeostasis. If a person doesn't know how to balance or maintain, if it is not following homeostasis, the body collapse. A person may die. Okay? Did you get this?
Yeah, miss.
Okay. Now here, please highlight here.
Yeah, miss. Yesterday we
highlighted?
highlighted.
We highlighted, yes, the left side. Here again, you highlight this here. If the body cannot respond properly to the internal message or to an external change, what happens to a body? A disease may develop. And finally, after disease, and again, if the body is not responding, it is fatal. The word fatal means it might lead to death. It's very, very important for my body to maintain this homeostasis. To maintain homeostasis. The body has to recognize the condition. My body has to know when I'm feeling hot, when I'm feeling cold. Okay, when your body must know the type of environment. It's not only about environment, girls. It is about other things also. Like example, the body. If you are very sad, the body is releasing. What is the body releasing when you're sad? What is that word called as? When you're happy, or as I told you yesterday, sometimes you don't do your homework, or you are scared with the teacher, or you did something wrong at home and your mom calls you, come here and be in front. What happens to your heart?
It's going fast.
Yeah, it starts beating. Why? Because your body knows how to change, and then that moment, the brain send the signals to maintain your body. Come on, calm down. It will be okay. Okay? And if the person is not able, it's he or she is not able to come up with that, then they go to the doctor. That is a different thing. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this picture when you see here, this picture when they see here, okay, you have two pictures here. One is of the healthy liver and one is of the unhealthy liver. Now, Ghalia, tell me, what did I say you showing this liver?
This is a healthy one, that's an unhealthy
Yeah, it's
one.
written here. What are the things what made them healthy? Is it only alcohol? Okay, is it only alcohol will make the liver healthy? Is it only alcohol?
Yes.
Yes, Vati.
No.
What else?
Smoking.
Smoking may affect lungs. Smoking affect lungs. You are correct, okay? It might release yani, juice from your liver. Yes, it might, but mostly smoking first attacks on lungs.
Unhealthy food.
So unhealthy food, excellent. Unhealthy food. You know, you have fats, you have fatty acids. What doesn't get digested with this juice, what releases in the liver. And if doesn't go with the juice of the liver, it doesn't make the food digest properly. And finally, the liver is going unhealthy day by day. Unhealthy day by day. Because the juice, it comes out. Last year, in grade 5, we were studying about the systems, and that time I had told you that whenever you see this organ, you know, we could draw the liver as this organ, like this. Whenever you see liver, you remember a bottle of juice and remember the word bile, bile juice. What will you remember? You will remember the word bile juice. What is bile juice?
Bile.
This is a juice which comes out of the liver, which helps in digestion. Now, when alcohol or some unhealthy food or fatty foods, it will lead to
Unhealthy
unhealthy
life.
liver. Like that, different organs. Now do you think, now why am I explaining you here? You have also, what is this organ? Which is
What?
connected to esophagus. What is this organ?
Stomach.
Again, stomach, yes. This is stomach here. Let me draw it again and show you properly. See, you have, or let us go on the white screen. Now, the main thing what I want to explain is how our body is working together. You know, this is a long tube. This is a long tube, and you have a stomach here, and next to it you have your as liver. Now, girls, if the liver is not working properly for digestion, not work properly, they are interconnected together. If one organ is not working properly, after some time, the food will not get digested here. And then you might have, again, some disease or some indigestion problem, and then you have to go to a doctor. So, 1 minute, guys. Let me share again. So finally, we are at the end of the thing here. The DASH system brings oxygen into blood and releases carbon dioxide from body. Malak?
Yeah.
See this picture here, which shows you lungs, mouth, connected to nose. You breathe in and out. Which system is this? It starts with R. It starts with R here, Malak. Which system helps you in breathing in and breathing out? Yes, Wateen?
Respiratory
Again
system.
tomorrow, yeah, Malak. Respiratory system. Because this system helps to respire. The word respire. You know, you exhale and you inhale. Where you see the lungs, you will remember it is respiratory system. Okay. And again, now after this lesson, we will have each lesson explaining the system more in detail. So that time you're gonna learn more about respiratory, you will learn about nervous, you will learn about cardiovascular, more in details. Next question. The long, thin cells of DASH system. Yes?
Yes, it took me out.
No idea, dear. The long, thin cells. Who wants to answer this? Again, you have seen this, brain and nerves. What is it? Who likes to? Yes, Mateen, you said you want to answer.
Nervous.
Okay, nervous, very good. Comes with the word nerves. Nervous. Okay, and here you can see that it's connected to brain. Once again, next lesson is circulatory and nervous system. You will learn more about it. It is nervous system. Next, the muscular heart. Malak, again, you want to answer this, Malak? The muscular heart, what does it push around the body? What does your heart pump? What does it push to around the body?
The blood.
Yes, this is the easiest question today, that it pumps blood all around the body. Next. Okay. When the boy is hitting the ball, he has to concentrate. He has to concentrate. Okay, a boy is holding the baseball and you know that he has to move his body. Which system helps him to move the body, Ghalia? Which systems help them to move the body, Ghalia? Ghalia, are you there? Hello?
The muscles and the brain.
Excellent, yeah, Ghalia. So you are correct. These are the organs which make me move. Correct, muscular. When it is muscle, what system do you call it as? Muscle and brain. Which system it is related to? Guess what, Ian?
The
Nervous system. Even your answer is correct here, Ghalia. Your muscles and brain helps them to concentrate and move, and bones also. So when I am talking about systems, I have to relate my answer to the systems. Like if I say bone, it is skeletal system. If I'm talking about brain, it is nervous system. Now, all this unit, now we have done the introduction this time. Next, we will study about these systems in detail. So that time you will get more perfect in it. So the nervous and the skeletal systems work together to allow player to swing the bat. Next question, lastly. If the body temperature...
So it's 15, the nervous and the skeletal?
It is skeletal and nervous system. And even muscular is correct here. Even muscular is correct. If you go, you can go for skeletal and nervous or muscular and nervous. Now question number 16, girls.
Yes, but the blood also work with the nervous, like the nervous and the blood.
Circulatory. That is a different system. What's your name, Vatin? That's a different system. It comes under nerve. It comes under nervous when you're talking about blood. Okay. Again, even your bones, they are producing blood cells. So there are few things which we can go together with two systems. Now, this lesson was, again, I'm saying you introduction. Just we will introduce the names of the systems. Next, lesson number 2 is skeletal and circulatory. There, I will go more in detail and tell you that skeletal also responsible for blood. Circulatory also responsible for blood. I will tell you in detail. Okay, now, we'll continue the class tomorrow. That's it for today's class. Thank you, guys.
Bye.
Have a nice day.
Okay.
Have a nice day.